What's up everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the newly road which they are constructing here in Bakau, the Gambia, West Africa, just behind the Independence Stadium of the Gambia. So guys, without wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and walk around that area and show you guys the latest update on that road. As you guys can see, I'm currently on the main OIC road, and there's a roundabout over there. Yep. And then I will take a turn on my right hand side, which is here, and the way the camera is pointing at, it leads all the way deep inside Bakau. So I just want to cross the road. Yep. This is how we do it here. We cross the road when we feel like it's good to go. Let's go. So guys, that's the road I'm talking about. Yeah. Guys, I'm coming live from Bakau. Wow. Finally. Assalamualaikum. Wow. So guys, this is the new road which they are constructing just behind the Independence Stadium of the Gambia, and then this is how the drainage looks here. This will be the drainage here, and this is the condition of this road. Yeah. And this fence you guys are seeing is the fence of the Independent Stadium of the Gambia. Yep. And then the company doing the road construction here, it's called Areski. Yeah, they are the one who constructed the OIC road, one of the best roads here in the Gambia in 2025 as I'm speaking. You guys can see, that's where I begin this video, walking all the way down there. Yeah. Wow. This is just behind the National Stadium of the Gambia. You guys can see, they haven't put any asphalt or any black liquid on this road currently. Yeah, they only put the gravel here and then level the gravel, and this is how it looks. Yeah. Yes, this is what is going on here in Bakau. This is what's going on here. And those are the workers over there who are doing the road construction here. And that gate you guys are seeing, it's one of the main entrance to the National Stadium of the Gambia. Yeah. In there is the National Stadium of the Gambia. So you guys can see. And this is one of the machines they are using to do the road construction here. Wow. There's the stadium over there, the Independence Stadium of the Gambia. This is the current condition of this road. Currently, right now, the people who are doing the road construction here on this side are working on the drainage. Yeah, they are currently working on the drainage. Let's go. Guys, this is what is going on here. As you guys can see, and guys, this is the main OIC road. Yeah, this road you guys are seeing, it's called the OIC road, and this is the view of the Independence Stadium of the Gambia, which is over there. Yep. So they wanna connect that drainage with their construction over there to this other drainage. Yeah. And the way the camera is pointing at, it leads to Senegambia, one of the major touristic hotspots here in the Gambia, and then it also leads to Brusubi and Bijulo, and this other side leads to the capital city of the Gambia, which is Banjul. And then guys, this is where I will end this video too. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, Just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all what I have for you in today's video here in Bakau, the Gambia, West Africa. This is the latest update on this new road which they are constructing here in Bakau, the Gambia. It's your boy Prince Yaga, boy from the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. Peace, love you all. Bye.